Hello friends, we will start with the third unit, heart, which is the circulatory system of human body. To start with, we will have a look at different internal structure and how the heart looks and different functions of different parts of the heart. So heart is said to be in the shape of a pear, and one more thing, the heart is narrower at the bottom part and it's wider at the upper part. You can observe that this is in the shape of a heart, right? It is broader at the upper part and narrower at the bottom side, which can be said as wider at the posterior end, narrower at the posterior end and wider at the anterior end. Anterior end means this is the anterior end and this is the posterior end. So we will look at some other diagram. In this diagram, it is being seen that the heart is being covered with a pericardial membrane. This is the pericardial membrane which covers the entire heart, and there are two layers of pericardial membranes, and between the two layers there is a fluid known as pericardial fluid. You can look at the fluid here, pericardial fluid. It is between the two layers of pericardial membrane. This pericardial fluid helps the heart in order to resist sudden shocks, such as sudden shocks when you are having any movement in the body. This will provide certain amount of support to the heart. Friends, look at this diagram. So the heart is made up of 4 chambers. These are the 4 chambers in heart. 4 chambers means you can think it as 4 rooms or else 4 boxes. There are 4 separate sections in heart, and the top left section is known as left atrium. The lower section is left ventricle. This is right atrium and this is right ventricle. So you understood that the heart takes in oxygen from the lungs and distribute to the body, and after distributing of oxygen it collects carbon dioxide and again sends back the carbon dioxide to the lungs. So for you a small information, the blood with oxygen is generally bright red in color, whereas the blood with carbon dioxide is dark red in color, or it is been shown as dark blue in color. So from this diagram you can understand that the left side is basically with respect to collecting oxygen rich blood, means it is been collecting oxygen from the lungs and it distributes the oxygen rich blood to the body, and the right part is with respect to the deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means the blood which doesn't have oxygen in it. Hope you are thorough with the 4 chambers in the heart.